Yeah, so as I was saying, it's मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि I remember when I was a child, जब मैं छोटा था और Papa was still struggling at that time, providing for his family, and we weren't very well off. So I remember, spending hours and hours of my time and all my lazy afternoons playing with these pens and pencils, assigning them superhero statuses. And Kambal ke saath, I used to make mountains, and I used to just sit, and I used to spend hours and hours creating my own stories and associating with that good guy and the evil guy, and building my own life struggles through their animated moves that I used to do with my hands. तो मुझे याद है कि all that, I think, somewhere created my visions of the kind of person that I wanted to be in my life. This is a service that we are providing. I see it as a service. It's also, of course, a business, but no business works if it is not a service. So this is really a service to the children of the world, for them to be able to associate with a symbol that stands for good, a symbol that is a force for good, a symbol that establishes and instills courage and goodness, shows you from right and wrong. So we have so many ways now. I mean, times have changed so much. कहाँ मेरे pens और pencils थे, और आज there are so many things around me, and I mean, it could be just so beautiful for all the children to have Krish as a symbol. And the child inside me right now is so delighted with all the things that I see before me. I'm just very, very full of gratitude that I can today be associated as a medium for providing a service like this. I don't think of myself as the guy on all the merchandise. It's not me. It's a symbol that my father has created. I just happen to be the face of it. So I'm full of gratitude, and I thank you all, for helping us in providing this service to the world and to the children. Our children are our future. I always hope that they see me as Dad, the superhero. That is the most important, because I think being a father is the biggest chance and opportunity to be a superhero in your life.
We are trying to tie up with all the theatres so that we get some merchandise in the theatres also. So when people or youngsters, when they come out of the theatre, they can buy certain things what they would like to.
That's fantastic.
And a lot has gone into this. We made this book, which was only for merchandising, so that we have a uniformity all over. And you can see the hard work which has gone in this, because these are all sketched. And so we took a lot of pains. This is a different genre of putting in all your hard work besides making a film. So this was going on simultaneously when I was making the film. So everything was very well planned, and it's falling correctly now, and I hope it goes ahead correctly also.